design and display. The Honor 7A has a standard plastic build which makes it clear that this is a low-cost smartphone, but that's okay because it feels solid. It's lightweight and sits nicely in the hand, with the power, lock and volume button on the right easy to hit. The fingerprint scanner on the rear is also easy to hit, while a headphone jack on the top of the handset will please audiophiles who still like to plug in. On the base of the handset you'll find a microSD port and single speaker which can go as loud as 88 dB, which is pretty high. Audio playback from this speaker was passable during our short time with the handset. Meanwhile, the 5.7-inch HD display comes with a 1440 by 720 resolution and an 18:9 aspect ratio, giving you extra height in the screen. When held in landscape, this extra screen makes for a better gaming and video experience. However, the 720p screen isn't the sharpest, and when inspected more closely we could see that the detail wasn't as fine as higher resolution panels. However, at this price the display on the Honor 7A can't really be faulted.